What's up, YouTube? It's a boy Tai here. Now, this video, mommy, hope you watch this, guys. Welcome to the channel. It's a boy Tai. Jamaican. I upload every day, every 2 days if I'm busy. Very little over here, but this video is going straight to my mom. Dear mom, you need to see the pool and leave it alone. You need to left the pool alone. Mommy, water is not your friend. Water is not for you. Guys, I learned how to swim in 1 day. 1 day. One single day. Right? Now, I've went to the pool quite a few times. Right, but this time I went with my mom and I decided to carry my GoPro, my waterproof camera with me, and boy oh boy, I was getting some underwater actions for you all. Mind your shop, I learned how to swim in 1 day. Just 1 day. But I went with mom. We're having a good time. Check out this extreme action from me who learned how to swim in 1 day. 1 single day. Check this out. Yes. Now, as you can see, I'm a professional swimmer who have learned to swim in 1 day. This would be me. I learned how to swim in 1 day. You guys gonna hear it a lot. But anyways, now this is this part of the video where my mom, you need to pay keen attention to. Keen attention. We decided that we were going to have a little race throughout the length of the pool from one end to the next, but I knew I was making a horrible mistake when I said this, because I've seen the way she swims. When you take fish out of water and them a flapple? Yes, that's my mom in the water, guys. I've seen it. I don't know what I was thinking to swim with this person who can't swim, this unprofessional swimmer. I'm the professional here. I learned how to swim in 1 day. But anyways, it was my mom and I said, let's race. So we were there. We set up the camera and thing, on our marks, get set, and we're ready to drive off, people. Ready to drive off, All of a sudden, so press the gas. I'm there, paddling away. Boom! One slapping on my head back. Guess who slapped me? My mom slapped me in my head back. Mom, we were supposed to be swimming in a straight line, right? We were starting like this. We were going like this. See, we were boom! I saw you drive car. And let me stop talking. and showed you all and show. Let me say I can't even talk properly. Let me stop talking and show you guys the video. Check this out. As you all see, right? As you all are seeing, we started off in a line. We were going to the next end. Boy. First of all, she started off wrong. Her hands were like wide open. What the hell is she doing? Now pay attention to this. She slapped me and I get up, right? You saw that, right? Now look what happened further on. There were 3 of us there. Look what happened. She went and slapped the 3rd person too. Like, how did you move from... Look, you're at point A, I'm at point B, next person at point C. How did you reach from point A to point C when you're supposed to go from point A to point A? I can't understand that. Mommy, you need to see the water and leave it. Them thump the... Why are we fighting in the water? Just tell me why. No. This is not right. You need to see the water and leave it alone. That's what you need to do. But guys, I'm a teacher. As I said, I learned to swim in one day. I will teach her how to swim. I will. Yeah, I will. It's okay, mom. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you. You're gonna learn how to swim. Remember, I told you that.